Hi everyone, thanks for coming back. I want to create a mini series on go-to-market basics and what PMM do. And today I want to start with the product launch. So a product launch is to bring the product or the service to the market by the company, but the product launch is not just about the day. It is a coordinated effort across marketing, product and sales. And before we do the product launch, we need to determine the feature size using either a tier system or level system because not all the launches are created equal. Some need a splash using all the toolkit and the marketing channels, but some are just very quiet, like the bug fix. So based on the tiering system that you use, and you determine the level of effort and the timeline. And for the product launch, normally there are four phases. Of course, it's flexible and company could combine, but there are four. So the first pre-launch, this is a preparation time where everything needs to be prepared before the product is ready to be launched. So it can include like the research, define the user target, developing the positioning and marketing materials. And for the brand new product, this is the phase to test the product market fit. And for the PMMs, this is where the PMM do the heavy lifting on determining the positioning and value prop. And these two are the foundation of all the marketing materials. And also the a user target, and PMMs will help with the beta testing, collect the feedback, and help define the adoption goal and train the sales. And in the soft launch, this is where it is released to the target users, and some companies use this phase for beta testing, which I think is also fine. And the PMM normally will do the monitoring of the performance and gather the feedback. And if the adoption is very low among the target users, then the PMM probably need to reiterate the positioning and value prop together with the sales and the product to figure out what's going on, why the adoption rate is very low. And then in the full launch, this is a general availability of the product. Everyone can use it. Normally, the PMM will need to make the announcement on all the predefined marketing channels and keep monitoring the performance. For example, the adoption rate, the engagement rate. And the last one is the post launch. This is to sustain the momentum, analyze the result, and improve the product. And for the PMM in this phase, the task involve, for example, keep tracking the performance and then also collect the success stories for the sales and collect feedback for future enhancement. All right, this is the overview of the product launch. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for listening, and I will see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.